Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a chromatic effect to your videos in CapCut PC. I'll use a different one since you've been seeing that. I'll use this clip for my Valorant. Just go to the effects section here, and you're just going to type in chromatic, and it's going to show you a lot of effects, and you're just going to select this one. You're just going to apply it to your video. As you can see, you can't really see that much, but you can kind of adjust it by sliding it to the right or to the left. This is the lateral chromatic aberration, and this is the I can't say that word. It's the other way around, okay? This is for like up and down. This is for like right and left. And that is pretty much how you can add a chromatic effect. Oh, that does make my vision a little bit dizzy, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click this thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.